All right, first off, my apologies to everyone that may have sort of thought that today's Sunday shave would be live. What I think I need to do is consult with you guys. Give me a time on Sunday that makes sense for me to go live, and then I'll let you guys know. So I'm thinking like Sunday mornings, 10 a.m. Eastern time might be good. Leave a comment below, let me know what time you suggest. Get interactive with me. The next thing I want to apologize for is I was going to continue with the goatee and really get into doing a nice trim of the goatee today. I'm going to have to scrap that. I forgot I have an activity to go to, and I'm old school. If my goatee is not like special and I'm getting all dressed up, I'm gonna go clean shaven. But I figured this would be a great opportunity to go through a proper review of why I love One Blade. And this is One Blade Pro, the Gen 1 One Blade Pro, I believe. There's a new One Blade Pro that's in black. I'll get that soon and I will run you through that. But this is the original One Blade Pro. And this will give me an opportunity to show you why I love this so much. But first off, for One Blade Pro, charge indicator right there, guys. So I know with a press of a button, I have 95% left on the battery, which is nice to have. Especially if you're about to travel and you don't want to bring the charger and you're only going for a couple of days. Oh, 95, I'm good. Uses the same blade that your traditional One Blade would use. Just has a more industrial look about it. And it has a nice base, which I don't have handy. But nice old base it sits in that charges it. Very nice. But this is why I love One Blade, guys. This goatee has been on for over a week now. So as you can see, it's coming in nice. Little white patches here. Nice and scruffy. Now to really start to attack this with a razor, traditional razor, I mean, you know that's grabby. Even if you prep the skin and you have the lather on, this can be an effort and an event. Now check this out, guys. Check it out. I mean, that's real time. No nicks, no cuts, no irritation, and you see how in real time, how quickly I was able to get rid of that stubble. Now also, a little bit of a pet peeve is hairs everywhere, so you've got a little bit of cleanup. But because One Blade, the line of shavers, waterproof, you could take this puppy into the shower and it'll all go down the drain. Now, I love this as a first pass, as a trimmer, to neaten things up. You know, sometimes you get that hair that's in the corners there or under the nose, and you just, perfect for that. And perfect as the first pass. So as I said, I'm getting ready to go out to an event now. I need to be nice and clean shaven. Baby's bottom shave smooth. So this was my first pass. I'll jump in the shower, I'll hop out, and I'll use one of my favorite traditional razors to smooth this down. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Get out, have a great Sunday. Enjoy yourself. The cold weather is coming, but we won't let it deter us. And I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep
pushing
play. And I'm going to get my ass in the shower.